Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaviar. Today I'm going to be doing a review on these box braids that I have. If you guys are wanting to know the little details about this hair and how I got it to look like this, stick around. This hair is from Xtrend on Aliexpress. These box braids are on braid. I would say they're like a mermaid cotton candy color line, but it's gorgeous. It's a really nice blue. They did not come this long, but as you guys can see, they are long, girl. They go past my bum. I ordered 10 packs. They are 100-gram packs. You guys will see, I will put a little clip right now. There are 10 packs of hair installed in my head. I don't think you need full 10 packs, but if you want to achieve like these small braids, then definitely order 10 packs. I paid $37 total, so that's after taxes Canadian for 10 packs. There, I extended them pretty low, so I did the feed-in method. So usually the 24 inches, which those packs are standard 24 inches, they would probably hit me to about here. So all of this is extra. So I think I used about 2 packs just to fill the bottom, because it does come on braid, as you guys saw in the video before. I pretty much just took the ends off of the 2 packs just to create the feed-in pieces. And get up close so you guys can see. So from pretty much here on out, it has been fed in with extra pieces to make them this long. So they hit me about 35 inches. They were a lot longer than that. I would say they were about 40 inches in the beginning, but I had to cut it because it was a bit too long. Now, I want to talk about the pros and the cons, you guys, about this hair. I have 10 packs of hair in my head. Now, I had 7 packs the last time with the Amazon braiding hair, and it felt a lot heavier. Now, mind you, this hair does feel heavy, so I definitely recommend it for that alone. Now, the second thing that I want to talk about, the itching. It's not as itchy as the Amazon hair. I washed it after, I think, about 2 days. I put some neutralizing shampoo on my scalp and I just massaged it in. So I wanted to talk about the ends. They were not stretched when I bought the hair, so I did pre-stretch them as I was going. Once you stretch them, it does sort of change the ombre pattern. If you don't want the hair to look jacked up like this braid here, you want it to look more like this braid here, where you can see the perfect transition throughout the ombre. That is going to be prevented with the stretching process. So the more you stretch the hair, the more it's going to look like this when you braid it. I can't explain it beyond that. You'll just have to see and do it for yourself. So guys, I chose not to do the knotless box braids. It took me 2 solid days to complete, so this is a lot of work. As you guys can see, there's a lot of braids in my head. If you want to wear it down the middle like this, you totally can. Okay, so this is what the braids, half up, half down. It's super cute. Again, guys, I don't think you need a full 10 packs to do a normal regular set, but if you're wanting to be extra like me and do them super long, 10 packs is definitely enough. Again, this hair is from Xtrend Hair on Aliexpress. Again, I paid $37 for 10 packs. That is super cheap, and I made them into about 40 inches. You know, summertime, you want fun hair, this is a good option, and I think it's super cute. So I just wanted to show you guys. If you guys have any questions about the hair that I forgot to mention or answer, definitely leave them down below in the comment section and I'll respond back. Until next time, guys, peace!